mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Hi.
Welcome to YouTube. We're doing YouTube today.
Trying to find a video with 0 views through YouTube recommended.
I think we should find the most viewed video in the world and start there.
It's probably Baby Shark or some garbage. 14 billion views, and we have to get down to 0 from here. Kill me, please.
Are we gonna listen to this? Actually.
All right, let's do Shake Your Sillies Out, Brain Break Songs for Kids, Note Kids, ... What is this?
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind.
This only has 81 million views, just like this video should have.
From the award-winning CD, Kids Country Song and Dance by The Learning Station.
Shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake.
Hate this so much.
Yeah, this is the worst. I saw 20 million. That's smaller. I
Move
saw
your body
that.
exercise dance song, Danny Go.
Where is Danny Go? Where?
Move your body. Move.
This is horrifying.
Exercise can be almost any movement.
What? He had to record this like in his mom's house. He's like, exercise. Sorry, Mom. I didn't mean to wake you up. Exercise.
Danny, what are you doing? I'm sorry.
First pop your legs out wide.
This is trash. Oh my God.
Oh, okay.
Gracie's Corner.
We're already down below 1 million.
300,000.
Let's play. Let's play.
Whoa.
I want to play with a gun. Can I play with a gun?
Gracie's Corner. Oh God. That's going up. It's going way up. Give me low views. Stop with the nursery rhyme. We're in hell.
Here we go. 259K. Also Baby Shark again.
Let's go hunting. Do. Let's go hunt.
Hunt?
And we're gonna kill.
Shark. Do.
Please help him, Lord. Hallelujah.
That was only 8,000 views.
What is that?
No, now we have to start over. We're at like 8 billion again.
But have you seen this? This is terrifying. And I wanted you to have to watch this.
Dude, Cocomelon is terrifying. Why did we put Jude in charge of the...
You were the one that wanted to start with Baby Shark.
No, I didn't want to start with Baby Shark. I wanted to start with the highest viewed video, which I did not know was Baby Shark.
That is Baby Shark.
Not my fault. Just putting it out there.
Let's just keep scrolling until we find something that's not a nursery rhyme.
We've gotten ourselves into this hell. We gotta crawl our way out.
Some of the ads, if you click on them, it'll lead you to the video that's just the ad itself, and you might be able to get out of this loop.
Start here with a personal trainer. No. I'm good. Live. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, look, guys, it's...
Oh, it's just a person playing with trucks on a live... This is a live stream? This is live. Hold on. The dislikes are disabled? You can do that?
Yeah.
That feels like cheating.
Yeah, there was a whole debate about that like 6 years ago.
Jeez.
Oh no!
We're in the hell section of YouTube Kids right now.
Oh no!
What is this?
Monkey. This is 31 minutes long.
Anime wow. Hey, this part's really replayed. We're in hell. Okay. We're in the family YouTubers category now. We've upgraded.
No, this is not an upgrade. Put it at like 0.25.
This sucks. Oh, yes!
We had a mission at some point in
We
this.
do. It's just I'm trying to get out of the kids' hole because we're going to be here forever. We'll get there.
Cop stories for kids. I'm sorry, that title just threw me off.
Ooh, do you want to catch Zach the race car? What is that? What is that?
ديك المرة هربت مني بس
I'm just gonna... Yes!
Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back.
This is the path.
All right, we
Educational
found it.
YouTube. Oh
Let's
my
go.
god.
With Bitmojis.
All right, this has 70 views.
Oh, wow.
Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. We learned yesterday about tenths. Now we're at the hundreds.
Wow, an extra 0. Anyways.
Shoot. We have to keep down the educational hole.
Yes. All right, we're so close already.
Give me only low view videos. 2.9 billion views!
Is a fractional number. Decimal has a whole number.
She's so loud.
Let's do 4th grade long division.
4th grade parents. My name's Marcy. I'm the 4th grade.
Dox yourself.
Phonics. Learn with ping. 500 views.
This is great. This is already perfect.
How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Doing great. How are you?
What are phonics?
This is terrifying.
This is like that YouTube analog horror that is like really popular right now. What is that? It's a butterfly? It looks like a bat.
Learn with ping.
Okay, do you know what this is? This is so
Hey, kids.
Why does he have teeth?
Take a walk with me?
No. In fact, I will not take a walk with you.
All right, then. Let's go.
I don't know what to do with this feeling.
I don't either, man.
Morning Circle with Toolbox and Teacher Tanya.
What?
I'm so very happy that each and every one of you had decided to
I can't hear you over the copyright. Ow! Ow!
Oh, here we go. It's random people's like crappy videos. This might be our path.
Yeah.
Why does this have 200,000 views? Cool. Come on. I want like marching band videos with like 8 views. Those are my favorite thing in the world.
Oh, here we go. That first drum like rumbled my head.
We're in hell right now.
Ta.
What is that?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
You ever see a video and you know why the comments are turned off?
Because it's YouTube Kids and you can't put comments on YouTube Kid videos.
Shut up. Pig.
He's walking at halftime. I want to hit him.
This was premiered. Can you imagine waiting for a YouTube premiere and it's this?
And it's a minute-long premiere, so the countdown for the premiere is almost longer than the video.
Wait, hold on. We gotta watch I'm Thirsty song number 2. Yes! Let's go!
I'm thirsty, very, very thirsty. Orange juice, orange juice.
How did we get here?
Baby Shark.
I think the kids algorithm is designed to keep you specifically in the kids algorithm.
50 neat nuggets for nimble minds.
N is for necklace. Necklace. N is for nectar. Nectar.
This is awful. Patriotic song for kids. Oh, God.
When I think about America, green, green forests, having nice school.
We're in hell.
No, right now we're an American propaganda machine.
I love America.
David versus Goliath rap battle song.
And when I walk in the gallery, and those who don't have a devour, because my signs were that fear, I'm all lonely up here.
This is awful.
Yeah.
No! No! No!
See, we've gone from like kids videos to kids Bible video. This is gonna be awful.
There we go. Garbage truck song. Let's cleanse our palate.
Garbage trucks.
This channel right now. Garbage trucks. Can we do a reset?
You have 2 minutes to find a video with 1 view.
Hi, Stewartsville Elementary. Have you guys ever seen a truck so big?
Come on.
Ooh, 138. Okay.
What is this video? It's really fast.
Bun. What word?
Bun. What word?
Gun.
Bun. 48 views. 48 views. Okay.
5 little monkeys jumping on. Oh, is that what you like to do for fun?
12 views, actually.
10 views.
You bow forward, that's a Ford. Come on, Charlotte Glaze.
20 seconds.
We're screwed.
Yeah.
We got to 10 views.
Yeah, we did. 10 was pretty close. That's like 10 more than we were supposed to find, but
I was hoping teachers' videos would get us there, and they just did not. So that was sick.
we kind of got stuck in like educational video purgatory.
For the sake of content, let's do attempt 2 with no kid stuff whatsoever.
Yeah, for real.
You know what, Mr. Beast? There we go.
There, we found one.
Oh my God, you can write better emails in half the time.
With Grammarly.
My friend Mac is about to experience the scariest moment of his life.
We have 30 minutes, right?
Here we go.
All right, we got 30 minutes to find a video with 0 views.
We're going with Mr. Beast ripoffs because always lower views.
Ooh, Brent Rivera, 2 million right there.
In this video, you'll be eating 100 years of military food, 100 years of airplane food, and 100 years of Disneyland food.
We're gonna eat food? I'm annoying. Watch me, please. Ah!
I tested banned football products.
Gloves that make the ball stick. A football kit.
Oh man, I can't tell what that was.
His name is Foot Crunch, and I think that's very funny.
Funniest moments in football.
Okay, so we've gone from Mr. Beast to sports.
World's Craziest Coincidences by More Allier.
Oh God.
This girl taking a picture at my freshman orientation. Okay, what's weird about that? Wait, my future boyfriend and his family were in the background?
The only ones that are wild are like, wow, we were both babies at Disney World at this picture at the exact same time. Like I've seen that and I'm like, wow, that is cool. This is just like this family that lives in my town and at this public place at this common time is also there.
My best friend's grandma passed away in Las Vegas. Aw.
What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Stop talking about it. I saw 10K.
Welcome to the Fortnite GeoGuessr Manhunt.
687 views though. 689. Crap.
Here are 3 separate cheats that I'm going to be using to rank up in ranked.
If you want to cheat and rank, then use hacks. You must be.
The fact that he almost has as much subscribers as we do is a crime.
Subscribe to us so we can hate on channels. Fortnite rare chest only challenge.
By Dylan Pickle.
We can only get loot from blue chests.
Mwop.
Do you know?
I know that there's a blue chest over here somewhere.
Why is this so loud?
Because like a 2-year-old made it. Ooh, the no guns challenge.
In this Fortnite video, I can't.
Fortnite video.
In this Fortnite video, I literally can't use a single gun, literally. Hey, you know what though? Respect.
Let's go.
You better win this.
Top 3, let's go. Come on, Dylan. Let's go. He won.
Yeah, he beat all those bots with his pickaxe.
Shut up, he won. What do we got a victory royale?
Fortnite snipers only from Dylan Pickle.
He's gonna be our salvation.
Today, I tried keyboard and mouse. So after
I hate that his edits are kind of funny. Like he's doing
his mixing, his audio mixing is like taking away from the video, but like it's not a terrible.
Oh, actually,
it's pretty good.
He's not using Ableton Live, so he sucks.
I'm just saying, like there's like you can't hear his voice, and then he's like with the next meme.
Professional sound engineer, so you just quit YouTube right now, kid.
Okay,
Ew!
What's wrong, Brent? You don't like the audio?
Hey, Dylan, back up from your mic a little bit, my dude.
This is entirely different. Let's see where we go from here. This is brain rot.
Yeah, he's getting ready.
Oh my god, this is awful.
Does that count?
One watching on a live stream.
One watching now. That means it's us. We are the one watching now.
Tape it up.
Yeah, I feel like live streams are too easy. We gotta find a video.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh my god, what is this?
Married a long time ago.
No.
If you laugh 3 times, you lose slash memes. Find Asian love overseas.
Dang it, I lost.
Oh, 15 from WLWT.
Grandmother, Butler County grandmother accused of shooting infant. Oh my god. 11 views.
Come on, WLWT. 4 views.
Stop. This can't be the way we win.
News. Here we go. Reds. The Reds.
Heck yeah. Why is this a video?
What?
This looks awful.
Oh, there's a weather one with 4 views.
They're not funny, though.
No, but it's a little funny. We're on a time crunch. Anything works.
5 views.
From the flu to...
Why did they keep that in? We're just like...
Oh my god. 1 view! There it is! 1 view and no comments. We should just put LOL on it. Wendy's nuts. Heck yeah. We did it. It took like news YouTube videos from like actually 5 minutes ago, but we did it. This didn't exist when we started this attempt.
I hate that. Also, I disliked it. So shout out to
WTO Whittle 11.
We made it. Now that has 2 views.
One of which is us.
Everybody go watch Surge pricing for fast food.
Yeah, dude, shout out to WTOL11 for giving us our content.
Well, if you guys want us to do this again, like the video, please right now.
Let us know, Tomato.
Thanks for watching. I love you. Pricing.
Thank you.